Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Mechanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will be replacing brake rotors and brake pads on a 2010 Nissan Xterra. So these are the items that I'll be using in this video. These come from O'Reilly's, and the brand is Brake Best Select. Now, these are your standard generic brake pads. These come in sets of two, one for the right and left caliper. These rotors are also of the same brand, Brake Best Select. These are also pretty standard. I'll have a link in the description below where you can get these items for your project. As always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. With that said, let's start mechanicking. everything is put back together. And just a quick note, on either the driver or the passenger side, you're going to have one brake pad that's on the inside that has a tab. Now that tab is the brake wear indicator, pictured right here. That needs to be installed on the inside. So it doesn't matter what side it's at, whether it's on the passenger side, the inside, or the driver's side. That pad has to be on the inside of the brake rotor. So just a quick note for you in case you're wondering, like, well, where the hell does this go? So either or. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. And if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.